very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when challenges become the birthplace of miracles. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age where the pace of life outstrips the heartbeat, where complexities entwine with uncertainties and pressures mount like restless tides, the mind often searches for safe harbors. Yet the very storms that seem to threaten may hold within them the seeds of a profound transformation. Just as the night sky hides the birth of new stars within its darkest corners, every difficulty carries within it the unseen blueprint of a miracle, waiting for the precise moment to unfold. In nature, the principle is ancient and immutable. Transformation is born from tension. The seed surrenders its form in the silent soil before it can become a tree. The pearl emerges from the grain that irritates the oyster's heart. The diamond's clarity is sculpted by eons of pressure. Physics affirms that even light is released when atoms face intense excitation. Human life, too, is shaped by the alchemy of challenges. Neuroscience shows that the brain rewires itself in response to adversity, forging new pathways for creativity, resilience, and insight. History bears witness. Civilizations have risen from the ashes of destruction. Art has bloomed from personal despair, and great discoveries have emerged from the brink of failure. Yet, beyond the visible, there is the guiding hand of a greater intelligence. Call it the cosmic order, the universal law, or the divine will. Ancient wisdom speaks of the universe as a living consciousness, listening and responding to the purity of intention and the depth of trust. In the Bhagavad Gita, the counsel is clear. Align action with dharma. Surrender the fruits to the higher order and trust the path even when the destination is hidden. Prayer in its truest sense is not a plea for escape, but a tuning of the inner being to the frequency of that cosmic intelligence, allowing life to orchestrate outcomes beyond the reach of calculation. Miracles then are not anomalies. They are the natural flowering of faith-filled action, sincere intent, and patient endurance in the field of difficulty. What's the way forward? To transform difficulties into miracles, 3 shifts hold the key. First, perception beyond the visible. To see the challenge not as a blockade, but as a sculptor shaping the soul's finest contours. Second, alignment with the higher order. To walk each step guided by principles that do not waver with circumstances. As rivers find the sea not by haste but by constancy. Third, constancy in inner tuning, to keep the mind as a still flame in the wind, nourished by meditation, reflection, and disciplined action until the unseen hand completes its silent work. When these are embraced, difficulties transforms from an intruder into an ally. Each trial becomes a coded message from the universe carrying the exact conditions for growth, strength, and the unlocking of hidden capacities. A life lived in this understanding moves through storms with the quiet confidence that every wave is carrying it toward a greater shore. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita offers an immortal compass for such moments of trial. In the words of Lord Krishna to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, be steadfast in the practice of yoga. Perform action, abandoning all attachment, and remain even-minded in success and failure. Such equanimity is called yoga. Here, the eternal law is revealed. When the mind stands balanced, neither elated by gain or dejected by loss, the higher order of life moves freely through action. It is in such stillness of spirit that the unseen currents of the cosmos align, and what appears as difficulty becomes the very bridge to the extraordinary. When this truth is lived, every trial is transformed into a teacher, every uncertainty into a guide, and every difficulty into the radiant birthplace of a miracle. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.